Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the backup. It should be on the fourth position, and as you can see, we have to add a Google account in order to enable the Google Backup. Of course, if you've got the Google account currently set and added to your device, then you will be able to simply pick it from the list and back up the data to the Google one connected with this particular account. So let's tap on Add Account. And here from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. As you can see, it's right here. So right now let me enter the password and I will do it out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree. And here we've got the section which will show us some information about the Google one. So the backup, as you can see, you can use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, will store it securely, and you can manage your backup easily, of course, whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And again, we've been transferred to kind of the backup storage, the account storage. Here you can check how much space you've got currently used and how much you've got left. You can of course manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files, photos, and so on. Under it you've got some kind of backup details, so you can check which section has been already backed up. And we've got the advanced settings. We've got this option, backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because as you can see here we've got the information that the charges may apply. It simply means that if you will go over the limit which you've got of mobile data, you can be charged for the data basically. So I highly recommend to keep this option turned off and use only the Wi-Fi. So basically, to finish the whole backup, just tap on Backup Now, and of course we have to confirm it with our lock screen, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.